Hi, we're now at Dangar Falls. This is at the Dorrigo plateau. It is also the elbow volcano, the volcano that was centered southwest of Dorrigo and northeast of Point Lookout. It covered nearly 270 square kilometers and rose 600 meters during its 1 million years of activity. Dorrigo's rich fertile soil are the result of the erosions of its lava flows over millions of years. Looking at the waterfall, you can see the remnants of the ancient basalt lava flows in the rock wall and riverbed. Last night we were at the mountains, so this morning we continue our walk into the Dangar Falls.